This video will talk about the internal rate of return, or IRR. Now, what is an IRR? The IRR of a project is the discount rate in which the NPV, or net present value, is equal to 0. So in order to solve for the IRR of the project, there are two ways of solving it: trial and error and Excel. So for trial and error, using the given data and the NPV formula, which was discussed in another video, we will think of any percentage to input in the formula. So let's try 20%. So with 20% we get a positive NPV, so we should aim for a smaller percentage. With 10% we get a negative, so that was too small. So somewhere in between, like 15%, should be the next discount rate. And with 15% we get an NPV of 0. So that is the most basic way of getting your IRR. Now for Excel, this is much easier. So for the given data, you will need to type equals IRR in an empty cell. And after you type that, you have to highlight from year 0 to year 4. So with that, we get 18% for project X and 15% for project Y. Now in determining which IRR is better, you pick the one with the bigger percentage, so 18%. So project X is better than project Y. But that is not always the case, because percentages only mean one thing. So here's an example of a big project versus a small project, wherein project large has an investment of 1 million pesos, while project small only has an investment of 10,000. So using the formula we used earlier, we get an IRR of 11% and 27%. So now just looking at the percentages, you might think that project small is better than the other one, but in reality, the NPV of the larger project is much bigger than the smaller, so IRR is not useful in every scenario. Now for multiple internal rates of return, this will occur on non-normal cash flow project. That means that the negative to positive sign changes more than once. So as you can see here, it's negative, positive, and then negative again. So that will result in multiple IRRs. Whereas in a normal cash flow, it only changes signs once. Because of this, IRR is not very helpful in non-normal cash flow projects, because the IRR that you will get won't be very useful for anything. So better look at the NPV of the project instead. Thank you for watching.